Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know, it's the holiday season with Thanksgiving and Christmas all coming up, and you always need something for a snack idea or a party idea, so I made up these cauliflower bites. They come out absolutely fantastic. I know you're going to love them, and so will your party guests, so let me show you how to make these. Okay, I'm going to start with a medium head of cauliflower that I've cut into florets, so we'll just go ahead and add this to a pot of boiling water. And we'll let these boil away for a few minutes until those florets become fork tender. After about 10 minutes, we're good to go here, so I'm just going to pull them out with the old spider and put them into a bowl. And then we'll just set these aside for a few minutes. Next up, in a separate bowl, I'm going to add in a cup of all-purpose flour, followed by a tablespoon of cornstarch. And you know me, a teaspoon of the old garlic powder. They say garlic keeps you healthy, wealthy, and wise. Well, healthy anyway. Another teaspoon of smoked paprika. A few cracks of salt, about half a teaspoon, something like that. And another teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now grab up the old whisk and give everything a whisk-a-rooney until it's all combined nicely. You know, sing a song, be happy, have some fun. Alrighty then, into that mixture with an egg. A cup of milk and just 2%'s just fine. A couple of tablespoons of chopped parsley just to add some greenery and color. Then once again a whisking we will go until a nice, smooth, silky mixture forms. And in my case it was a little too dry, so I added a bit more milk, about a tablespoon or two. Until it becomes something like this, and this is about perfect for dipping those old cauliflower bites. Because when you pick up the whisk, it just kind of runs off it like this. This is great. While we're at it, we might as well make up the sauce by adding 3/4 of a cup of mayo, and Hellmann's or whatever mayo you have on hand is just fine. Two teaspoons of Dijon mustard, use your favorite Dijon, and a tablespoon of ketchup. That's as simple as it gets. Then just go ahead and whisk everything together. Next up, I'm going to add some oil to a pan and heat this up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. Then grab up those cauliflower florets and dip them into that mixture and just kind of swirl and twirl until they're completely covered, something like this. Then you guessed it, into that hot oil and let them fry up. And these really don't take all that long, guys, just a few minutes to fry up. And this is about kind of the color you want them, turning a beautiful, beautiful golden brown where they're crunchy and crispy. And I don't know about the weather your way, but it's -5 here on November 20th, and oh, we've already had a little bit of snow. I so much envy you guys who are somewhere down in Texas or something like that, or even Australia where the temperature's sunny and, 70 or 80. But anyway, what are you going to do? Just let me know in the comments section what the weather's like down your way. Honestly, I am really interested. But anyway, we're just going to pull these out now. They're beautifully golden brown. And put them into that old spider. Oh, these are looking so good, guys. And you just want to set them aside for a few minutes and let them drain. Now, I always set mine aside on a wire rack, but you can also use a plate lined with a paper towel, entirely up to you. And there you have it, my friends. It's as easy as that. Our cauliflower bite with our mayo dip. Ever so good. A fantastic party idea. Your dinner guests are going to love it. And I guess not only dinner guests, but party guests, whoever you have coming over. And you know what, guys? You grab these up. I'm using a fork here, but you can use your fingers too. And you bite into them. They are absolutely sensational. They're crispy, but yet so flavorful. As I said before, everybody will love them. So go ahead, make them up, and let me know what you think by adding a comment. And most of all, give us a like if you like what you saw, because it does help the channel out. And subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.